ground gives out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I